Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an intent to use trademark. First, understand that an ITU application allows you to reserve a trademark even before you've started using it in commerce. This is a powerful tool for protecting your brand early on. You must genuinely intend to use the mark, not just hoard it. Filing an ITU application establishes a priority date, which can be crucial if others try to register a similar mark later. It's a smart first step for many new businesses. Before you file, careful preparation is key. Start by clearly defining the specific goods or services your trademark will cover. This helps the examining attorney understand your scope of protection. Next, perform a comprehensive trademark search to ensure your proposed mark isn't already in use or too similar to an existing one. This step can save you significant time and money. Finally, create a clear and accurate drawing of your trademark, whether it's a word mark or a design. Once prepared, you'll submit your application electronically through the United States Patent and Trademark Office's TEAS system. This online portal guides you through the necessary steps. Be ready to pay the filing fee, which is usually between $250 and $350 per class of goods or services. After filing, an examiner will review your application. If they have questions or concerns, they'll issue an office action, which you must respond to promptly to keep your application active. After your ITU application is approved, you'll have 6 months to file a statement of use, demonstrating that you've begun using the trademark in commerce. You can request extensions up to 5 times, each for an additional 6 months. You'll need to provide 3 specimens showing how your mark is actually used with your goods or services. This could be product packaging, website screenshots, or advertisements. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.